Excellent. I think I will tell you some words about me. Um, well, I'm now 13 years in business. I have 5 years of experience regarding banking. Means restructuring Babak PSK to one of the most profitable retail banks in Europe. And furthermore, I was cutting out the SEE network of Hypo, which is called today Adico. So I know Edgar Flage, who is responsible for the finance area there. So I'm also talking currently regarding automation as well with Erste Group we're talking because the last 8 years I'm dealing with automation AI. First company was a very simple bot, as you mentioned, uh, which is completely static, yeah. And after we exited to Deutsche Telekom 4 a couple of years ago, we started a company called Dynamic AI, where we automate the whole process, you know, from voice, email, chat, you know. There's a lot of communication coming in from customer service, from finance, from sales, IT, and this has to be orchestrated. Yeah? It has to be delivered to the right people because only 80 to 85% is repetitive. Huh? It means can be drafted answers or fully automated answers to customers, to suppliers, to employees. Yeah? And the rest has to be forwarded to operators, managers, experts, yeah, who are dealing with that. Yeah, for example, cyber attack. Yeah, cyber attack goes directly to the cyber office or to legal. Yeah, and furthermore, we also connect then the backend. That means the CRM, the ERPs. Yeah, something like Microsoft Dynamics. Yeah, something like Salesforce. Something like SAP, which is super challenging to be honest. And there are a lot of RPE platforms where we also work together. The whole thing is where we're really different to the rest is, yeah, that we have, let me see, we have self-learning. Yeah, that means the engine learns with every new data entry. That means with every message sent in and every message replied by the engine or by a human being, the system is learning. And if you want, I can show you this today. Yeah? It only takes a couple of minutes. And we also can do an RBA case. And I think as you have worked together with bots, you know, you always have to update the data manually. Yeah, that means you need these NLP guys. Yeah, because there will be an iPhone 14, there will be new Corona measures, all these things. Yeah, because the world is changing. And exactly for that, we have built the engine. Yeah, we have built the engine as an NLU engine. Yeah, a system that understands everything that's coming in and that's already in the database. Yeah. So if we have access to the database and if you have at least 3 samples per category versus 1,000 deep learning, yeah, we can start learning. Yeah. And I show you today how it's working and how the system is calculating. That you also can see the percentage. Yeah. I think this is very important. And of course, we have all this routing to the right persons based on content and have with brand management analytics. So we have all the things that I can show you today. And everything I'm telling you is based on our patent at the USPTO for artificial intelligence, process automation, for enterprise business communication. It's from our CTO, Dr. Roman Lovchenko, and Professor Yevgen Slutsa. He is professor at the University of Kiev. Yeah.
Good. I would like to dig deeper a bit afterwards into this about the algorithm and the accuracy calculation itself. And this approved, true or false? Does it mean that some agent behind this Gmail account, he would then be, in the case of low accuracy, saying yes, send it, or don't send it, or what does this approved mean?
Yeah, we built the system in the way that the AI is working together with human beings, because because you need the input and you need the
provision, yeah,
provision of a human being, because a bot shoots or does not shoot, yeah. But our system, you also can put in the analytics dashboard how much accuracy you want for FAQs, how much accuracy you want for legal cases, yeah, because this is always different, yeah? But this is something we're coming to, yeah?
Lauren, did I get correctly? Sorry if I interrupt you. So your training data based not on the sentence, but based like on set of sentences, let's name it like a dialogue. Based
exactly.
on conversation.
It is really trying to understand what you're telling. If you're telling me if you want to open a current account, because you need this to receive your salary, it has a completely different meaning than I need a savings account for my grandmother, yeah? Because account can be both, yeah, and it also can be broken down to other things. For example, I need a current account with credit card, yeah, and if you have at least 3 messages in the past where this has happened and one of your operators has resolved this, the system learns this and also is mirroring this more or less, yeah.
So good, thank you. What is the product that you're selling in reality, in general? Because you showed us before a Gmail. Typically, providers show us some front ends. Do you have also a front end, or is it the brain that you're selling?
Normally we do the brain, but we also have to do certain customization or certain fixes for customers. So we make, for example, control panels, yeah. We make fixes to the CRM, yeah. For example, SAP. We do what's necessary to get our AI running, and this can be manifold.
And last question, just maybe it's most boring. Your solution, it's based in European Union, or it's when I'm talking, it's like GDPR and all this stuff around that, like Schrems and etc. etc. etc.
The system is based where you want to have it. If you want to have it on your servers in Vienna or somewhere else in the world, it's there. If you say, hey folks, we want to use a cloud, what I don't assume as a bank, then we put it in the cloud. But for us, it does not matter. It really does not matter. Okay, great. Then thanks for your time and have a great day. You have it by tomorrow. All the best. Bye.
Thanks a lot, gentlemen. Looking forward.
Thank you, Serge. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.